as tea is often considered a universal health drink. However, for seniors over the age of 60, your body's physiology has changed. Vital organs, such as the liver and kidneys, no longer filter toxins as quickly as they did when you were younger. Drinking tea is a relaxing habit and is often considered healthy, but not all teas are safe for seniors. Medically speaking, certain types of herbal tea contain active compounds that can actually be toxic to the elderly. Consuming them can trigger dangerous drug interactions or worsen degenerative diseases. Today, we will discuss 3 types of tea that the elderly should avoid based on medical reviews. 1. Comfrey tea. The first type of tea you should avoid in old age is comfrey tea. Although often marketed for wound healing or joint pain relief, this plant contains alkaloids called pyrrolizidine alkaloids. Medically, these compounds are hepatotoxic, meaning they are highly toxic to the liver. In the elderly, blood flow to the liver and the liver's ability to regenerate cells naturally decline. If you consume this tea, the alkaloids can cause a serious condition called veno-occlusive disease, which is a blockage of small blood vessels in the liver. The effects can be fatal, ranging from permanent liver damage to liver failure. Because the metabolism of the elderly is slower in eliminating toxins, the accumulation of these substances occurs much faster than in younger people. Therefore, herbal products containing comfrey in the form of brewed tea are strongly discouraged for internal consumption by those over the age of 60. 2. Senna tea. The second type is tea labeled as diet tea, or tea containing senna leaves, Chinese jati. This tea contains anthraquinone compounds that act as strong stimulant laxatives, forcing the intestines to contract for bowel movements. The main medical danger for seniors over 60 is a drastic electrolyte imbalance. Seniors have lower total body water content and more vulnerable kidney function. The strong effects of this tea can cause rapid dehydration and a large loss of potassium. This condition of potassium deficiency, or hypokalemia, is very dangerous because it can disrupt the heart rhythm, arrhythmia, and cause severe muscle weakness. In addition, long-term use can cause the intestines to lose their natural ability to contract without the help of stimulants, which actually worsens the problem of chronic constipation in old age. 3. Licorice root tea. The third type is licorice root tea, or sweet root tea. It should be distinguished from ordinary sweeteners, as sweet root herbal tea contains an active compound called glycyrrhizin. Medically, glycyrrhizin can trigger an effect called pseudoaldosteronism. This substance mimics the action of the hormone aldosterone, causing the body to retain sodium and water while excessively excreting potassium through urine. The impact on the elderly is significant, leading to a surge in blood pressure, hypertension, and swelling, edema, in the legs or lungs due to fluid retention. Many individuals over the age of 60 already have a history of hypertension or heart disease, and this tea can interfere with the effectiveness of blood pressure and heart medications. Regular consumption of licorice root tea can trigger a hypertensive crisis or congestive heart failure in susceptible patients. Although labels such as herbal or natural often seem safe, not all plants are suitable for the physiology of the elderly. Before trying a new type of herbal tea for medicinal purposes, consult your doctor first, especially if you are regularly taking prescription medications. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.